folks, and welcome to In the Kitchen with Pete. A few years ago, while on a camping trip, I created what I call the bacon weenie casserole. It was our last night at camping. We had some bacon left from breakfast, we had some wieners left and some onions, and I said, let's make a casserole out of this. Well, last week while on a camping trip, my nephew Sean was there, and he enjoyed it, and he said, Uncle Pete, you should put this on video. So today, that's what we're doing. Let's get at it. So here's all the ingredients you'll need. A tinfoil pan, lightly greased. Some grated cheese, whatever your favorite grated cheese is. All beef hot dogs, jumbo size. And I've made these nice slits in it. I'll show you a really cool way to do them. And we'll need the same amount of bacon as we will hot dogs. This is pre-cooked bacon. Some tabs of butter, a couple cloves of finely diced garlic, some julienne styled onions. Just cut them up like so, split them apart, and that's what we'll be laying on the bottom of our pan. You'll also want some of your favorite barbecue sauce. Let's get to dicing up these hot dogs. So we want to get these nice slits into our hot dog, and it's more than just making them pretty. They'll absorb all the flavors that we're putting into this. So here's what we do. There's two ways of doing this. You can freehand it, use a sharp knife, try and cut down about halfway. You don't want to cut all the way through, turns into a big mess. And then you're going to make an X on this side. Like so. Now I'll show you kind of a cool way to do this. You're going to get a couple wooden ladles. And that's your guide so you don't cut through the hot dog. Like so. Isn't that slick? Works every time. You'll never cut all the way through. Just change your hand position when you go to the other end. And that's it. Look it. Beautifully done. So I'll finish these up and then we'll get to putting the casserole together. So I started off with some non-stick spray in my tinfoil pan. In go my diced onions. Spread those out. Next we'll put in our finely diced garlic. Just try and spread that around fairly evenly. Next we'll put in our couple tabs of butter. And your favorite barbecue sauce. This is such a simple dish. Get creative, make it your own. Add some extras if you like. Sometimes I put some hot banana peppers in. Gives it a great flavor. Maybe there's something you can think of that you would like. Now for the hot dog and the bacon. Get that one end on the bottom. Spread it across and try and get the other end on the bottom as well to hold it into place. Don't worry, it'll all come out nicely on the end. Don't have to get too delicate. Now we'll just carry on with these. This recipe is so simple. Get the kids involved. They'd love to participate in the prep work. Many hands make little work. I've cooked these many different ways. Over the fire, make sure you double up on your tinfoil pan. On the barbecue, top rack, 400 degrees. In the oven, 400 degrees. They all work wonderfully. They all take about 40 minutes. Let's get it in. I'll toast up some buns and we'll serve it up. It's gonna be delicious. It's been 40 minutes, removing the tin foil, and I'm gonna put my buns in and toast them for a couple of minutes. That'll help brown up my hot dogs. I just had to show you how nice and cheesy and gooey these all look coming out of the pan. Man, these are my nice toasted buns. Oh my. Put a little extra onions on them. Oh, looks outstanding. Time to try them out. Well, there they are, all ready to try. If you like hot dogs, you gotta try these mouth-watering hot dogs. I like to put a little mustard on mine, and I wanted to make mention about this great condiment, homemade, crafted out of wood. A friend of mine from the fire hall, Andrew Corey, put this together for me and surprised me last week. I'm thrilled with that. Thank you very much. It's even got a little bottle opener at the end. How beautiful. Well, now I get to try the goods. Boy, oh boy, it looks delicious. Oh. So juicy and cheesy, and that bacon. You're gonna love it. Try it out with your friends and family next time. Thanks for watching In the Kitchen with Pete. Until next time, see ya.